Hey guys, welcome back. Let's try to understand another method that is available in set, that is subset. Now this method is used to check whether all elements in one set is present in another set or the superset. Now it returns only Boolean values, so it will return true or false. Yeah, so it will return true if every element of the subset is in superset, and false otherwise. Now, this method can be used to check whether iterables like list, tuples, or string as well. Why we use it? So it is useful for verifying if one collection is completely contained within another, which is a common operation. So for algorithms specifically. So this particular subset returns you just true or false. The syntax for this method is you have to give the superset, yeah, which needs to be within which the subset would be checked. So I will write set dot iterate is subset. That's my method. And then within parentheses, the parameters would be the iterables or the sequence data types. Okay. Now this iterable accepts anything which is a sequence data type. Let's and the return value is a Boolean value. So you need to always remember it returns Boolean value, which is true if the set is a subset of the current set, or otherwise it is false. You need to note that. I'll just write a note here. What it returns is, huh? So let's quickly run to an example, a basic example of using is subset. Suppose I have this two sets, that is set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, set 2, that is 1, 2, 3. And we are checking for the subset whether set 2 is subset of set 1. Yeah. So we are checking whether 1, 2, 3 is a subset of the set 1, which has the values or the elements as 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's see. True. So 1, 2, 3, as you can see, are available in this superset. So you need to remember this set is one which is supposed to be checked, and set 1 is the iterable or your superset. Let's check another example where we do not have the same sets. So I'll just change the value of the second subset or the second set and check whether it gives me true right now. No, it gives me false because 1 to 6 is not available in this superset. It has to be in sequence like 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So even if I write, it will still give me false because there is another element. Even though my three elements are common, still there is an uncommon element in the second set which is not available in my first set. So it is not a subset of the superset. Let's check whether a subset is a subset of a frozen set. Yeah. So suppose I have this set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I have this set 2, which is a frozen set. We have used the first example as it is. Yeah. But we have made the second set as a frozen set. Now we are trying to check whether the set 2 is a subset of set 1. Ideally, it should give you true. Yeah. Because the values within the set, whether it is a frozen set or normal set, the values are still common to the superset. Hence, it is giving you the output as true. Another thing that we can check is with the empty set, checking whether an empty set is a subset of any set. So suppose I have this set 1 as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and set 2 as an empty set. Yes. Now I am checking whether set 2 is a subset of set 1. First, I am checking whether this empty set is a subset of this set 1, that is superset. Since it is an empty set, it is true because the value is nil. So it will always give you true if you try to compare it with a empty set. Now suppose I have two empty sets. I'm trying to compare an empty set with another empty set. So suppose I compare it with set 2 only by itself. So I'll say uh, finding a empty set is a subset of itself. Yeah. How do we do that? We check it as a set 2. Yeah. So what I'm doing here, I am checking whether an empty set is a subset of itself. It should give you true. Yeah. So that is how you can check for subsets or any values or elements which you want to compare it with another iterable. This is how you can do it. And these are some of the important concepts that you need to understand, that empty set will always give you the Boolean value as true because it is space is always available. Nothing is just an empty set. Yeah. But if you put in some values which are incorrect, then probably it will not give you the right output. Yeah. So these two things are very important, that an empty set will always give you true if you try to compare it with a superset. And if an empty set is compared with its own self. Yeah. So that will also give you true. Hope you understood the concept. Do like, share this video with your colleagues who want to learn Python. Do comment on the video if you have any example or if you have any thoughts that needs to be shared with other colleagues who want to learn Python. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you like to get such kind of informative videos directly to your inbox. Thank you so much.